Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Moringa Rasam. This flavorful and nutritious dish is a staple in many South Indian homes. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a small lemon-sized ball of tamarind. We'll also prepare our spices and aromatics to build a robust flavor base for our rasam. Next, let's prepare the heart of our rasam, the tamarind and tomato base. First, soak a small lemon-sized ball of tamarind in about 1 cup of warm water for 10 minutes, then extract its rich pulp. Roughly chop and mash 2 ripe tomatoes, then combine them with the tamarind pulp and 2 cups of water in a pot. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste, bringing these flavors together beautifully. Now, it's time to cook our rasam to perfection. Bring the tamarind and tomato mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once it starts bubbling, carefully add the fresh moringa leaves and 1 slit green chili. Allow this to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. This simmering time is crucial for the flavors to meld and for the raw smell of the tamarind to dissipate, leaving us with a fragrant and delicious base. Finally, let's add the finishing touch with a flavorful tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and a few fresh curry leaves. Pour this aromatic tempering directly over the simmering rasam. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves, and your delicious moringa rasam is ready to be served warm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.